So we're just gonna start off with a little massage, okay? So put your arms down to the floor or wherever's comfortable for you.
That's it.
Is that better? You said
No, it is.
Facing me.
Oh my God.
Perfect, just like that. All right, give me this knee.
Oh shit.
I just had to move you closer. All right, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna hold this here and I'm just gonna push this down. You're gonna do a twist. I'm gonna do all the work.
I just need to sit here.
Yeah. And turn back and look at AJ.
I don't even want to look at him.
Yep, lean back just like that. Okay, deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh shit. You just broke my back. I feel it. I'm just kidding. Oh God.
At least it popped.
You signed me up for this. Okay.
It's your birthday present.
I would have taken something different. Oh, I hear it already about to start.
Look back that way. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. So do you know why you're popping like that? Go and lay on your stomach. So this time I'm just gonna a little bit of pressure downward, okay? So you can take a deep breath in. All the way out, blow all the air out. Blow it out, blow it out.
She blew out more air than I even inhaled.
All right, deep breath in. And all the way up. There we go.
More.
Yeah.
Pick your head up. And let it fall.
Oh,
just
yeah.
like that.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Stop.
Pick your head up.
Does this make you feel good? Like,
Actually, just pick it. So you're gonna pick it straight back, and then let it fall. Let it fall. Yeah, just like that. So you asked me, does it make me feel good?
you like to hear this popping and stuff, don't you? Oh,
No, not necessarily, but I do know that you are really out of alignment, and that's why you're hearing so much of it.
It brings me joy to hear it.
I know it does.
Lay on your back.
You should have went upstairs.
Let me touch your neck, okay?
Okay.
So right now I'm just gonna motion just to see where we are.
Did it hurt? Oh.
This shit just gets you all the way off guard. Oh my gosh.
Drop this shoulder.
You don't feel refreshed?
This is a setup.
You need it.
I think that it was like,
Any pain on the bottom of your feet?
no, nigga.
A little bit of a pull here.
You just dramatic.
She said I'm doing good for my first time. What you mean? Am I being dramatic right now?
No.
That sounded very sarcastic.
Not even a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
really hungry. Yes, spaghetti legs.
Say what now?
She got spaghetti legs.
She does?
She gonna have when she finished. You don't gotta go walk around the mall.
You're gonna be so relaxed going around that mall. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to sit up. Swing your feet around.
I think would have been on the floor.
Give your hands. Interlace your fingers. Just keep them right there. Just soft hold, okay? Alright, lean back on me. You're going to take a deep breath in. And all the way out. You're going to get a good stretch.
That camera got that camera got my face.
Yeah. That's a nice meme.
Alright.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
How was it? Go and stand up, walk around, let's see.
Oh. How was it? That thing stressed me out.
You easily stressed out.
AJ, you like that? I mean, it did what it was supposed to do, but
You gotta walk.
the sound effects, I'm gonna get you some water.
They were refreshing.
What was refreshing?
The sound.